My name is Vincent van der Merwe. I'm the Cheetah Range Expansion Project Coordinator for the Endangered Wildlife Trust. So I basically manage about 480 cheetah in a network of 67 reserves across Southern Africa. Most of them in South Africa, 2 in Malawi, 1 in Zambia, 2 in Mozambique.
Okay.
And yeah, we're constantly growing and expanding the meta population. My job is basically to move cheetahs between reserves, to prevent inbreeding, to prevent overpopulation. That's why we've done a lot of work here in Pilanesberg, where we have a growing cheetah population, removing surplus animals, and then preventing underpopulation. So in certain reserves where cheetahs aren't doing very well, then we bring animals from a place like Pilanesberg and we supplement them, demographically supplement them. Because we're working with a growing population, we continually identifying new reserves for reintroductions, some of them in South Africa and some of them beyond South Africa. What's happened to cheetah globally is humans started agriculture in the Middle East 13,000 years ago when the first crops and animals were domesticated. Then, so that's where the destruction of cheetah populations started, and then humans brought those crops and animals south, and they hit the first bits of agriculture to start in Black Africa, started in West Africa. When the sheep, cattle, goats arrived from the Middle East, and then they domesticated their own plants in West Africa, cassava and so on. And then they took those crops and animals and brought them to East Africa, and only hit Southern Africa about 1,500 years ago. So 13,000 years of agriculture in the Middle East, 40 cheetah left. We've only had 1,500 years of agriculture here, and we've got 4,000 cheetah left. So you know, the eradication of cheetah populations is simply a case of how long has this particular area been subject to agriculture. Botswana at the moment has the largest, guesstimated at about 1,500 individuals. Namibia at about 1,400. South Africa, ours has grown from about 500 in the 1960s to about 1,300 now. So we're on the verge of supporting the largest wild cheetah population worldwide, and that's because we've resorted to fencing. So all our reserves are fenced because we've come to terms with the fact that humans and cheetahs don't coexist well. It doesn't matter what kind of a farmer you are, what your income levels are, what your ethnicity is. We are yet to find humans that coexist with cheetahs. So we're very grateful to the people that make this work possible. Our principal funders are National Geographic, PwC. We're also very grateful to the Ford Wildlife Foundation. You know, I need a nice vehicle to move around. So thanks very much. And then to some of our private donors, Paul King and Gabriella Ferguson, really make this work possible. So thanks very much to their support.